Today I am going to discuss about the topic RL78 16-bit microcontroller. First, let's see about what is microcontroller. It is a component integrated circuit designed to govern a specific operation in an embedded system. It contains processor, memory, and I/O peripherals. These are the things that present in the microcontroller. It makes possible ultra low power applications by giving system designers and advanced power using features and high performance operations. Next, let's see what is addressing modes. It is the way of addressing a memory location in a instruction. It needs data or operands on which the operation is to be performed. Generally, what is addressing mode means the method of specifying source of operand and the output of result in an instruction is known as addressing modes. There are two types of addressing modes in RL78. One is data addressing mode and the other one is instruction addressing mode. First, let's see the data addressing modes. There are 9 types of data addressing modes. First one is the implied addressing modes. In these addressing modes, instruction for accessing the register that have special function are directly specified with the instruction word. Let's see it with a diagram. This is the opcode, and this opcode directly specifies the register. This is called the implied addressing mode. Next one is the register addressing mode. In register addressing mode, it acts as a general purpose register as an operand. The instruction word of 3-bit long is used to select an 8-bit register, and the instruction word of 2-bit long is used to select a 16-bit register. Next one is the short direct addressing mode. In this addressing mode, it directly specifies the target address using 8-bit data in an instruction word. It usually occupies the space from FF E20H to FF E1FH. Next one is the direct addressing mode. In direct addressing mode, it uses the immediate data in the instruction word as an operand address to directly specify the target address. Next one is the special function register. It directly specifies the target special function register address using 8-bit data in an instruction word. It usually occupies the space from FF F00H to FF H. Next one is the register indirect addressing mode. It specifies the target address using the contents of the register pair specified with the instruction word as an operand address. Next one is the based addressing mode. In based addressing mode, the contents of a register pair specified with the instruction word. Here, it uses the 16-bit immediate data as a base address and 8-bit immediate data or 16-bit immediate data as an offset address. The sum of these base address and offset address specifies the target address. Next one is the based indexed addressing mode. It uses the contents of a register pair specified with the instruction word as the base address and the contents of B or C register as a target address. The sum of this base address and offset address directly specifies the target address. Next one is the stack addressing mode. In this addressing mode, it is indirectly addressed with the stack pointer. It is automatically employed when the push, pop, or subroutine call and return instruction are executed. Next one is the instruction addressing mode. It contains 4 types. One is relative, and the other one is immediate, and the third one is stable indirect, and the fourth one is the register direct. These are the 4 types of instruction addressing modes. Relative addressing modes, it uses 8 or 16-bit displacement to the current program counter to update the target address. Next one is the immediate addressing mode. It loads a PC with a 16 or 20-bit absolute address specified in the instruction word. Next one is the table indirect addressing mode. It loads the PC with 32 16-bit address stored in the call table area of the memory, call T. Next one is the register direct addressing mode. It loads the PC with the control shift register concatenated with a registers pair AX, BC, DE and HL. These are the 16-bit registers. That's all about the RL 73 16-bit microcontrollers addressing mode. Thank you.